And welcome back. We had more sunshine as made our way through the day today. Barely cloud in the sky once again, and we kept more of a stronger southeasterly flow. So temperatures were a little warmer compared to yesterday, still above average for this time of year. High temperatures near 80. We have since fallen down to 78 degrees in North Platte. Still sunny out there. Wind south-southeast around 9 miles per hour, and that dew point of 55 degrees. Now, here's a look at the current temperatures across the region. We are at 77 Broken Bow, Thedford, Hyannis, 78 at North Platte and Lexington, and closer to 80 at Ogallala and at Valentine. There's your wind southeasterly. We're even trying to be a little southerly into our western counties. Wind speeds right now have really picked up 10 to 20 miles per hour, so that is keeping us warm. Just a little bit of moisture in the atmosphere in terms of humidity, but really none in terms of cloud cover, as we do have mainly clear skies out there. Maybe a few passing clouds north of Broken Bow, but that is basically it. Still have that dual high pressure system in charge, so this high moved just off to our east since yesterday. This other one is still into the desert southwest, so both of these are giving us a good amount of sunshine and primarily a southerly wind, as the rain continues to be trapped into the Pacific Northwest, and these other two low pressure systems are really starting to bunch up across the east coast as we just stay dry and sunny. So here's a look at the skycast tonight. Temperatures falling quickly through the 60s. We'll be around 60 by around the midnight hour. Mainly clear skies, keeping that southeasterly wind through the overnight. So we're going to start off a little warmer just after daybreak in the low to mid 50s. No more 40s on the map for lows. And then we really start to warm up. More of a southerly wind, lots of sunshine, maybe a few high clouds, but it doesn't do much in terms of keeping us down in terms of temperature, because most of us will be into the upper 80s to maybe in some of our southern counties near 90. Mostly sunny or to partly cloudy skies as we go through Friday. Maybe a few more clouds in the Sandhills. A little bit of a cold front setting up there, but most of us will keep the sunshine. And Friday, highs will be into the low to mid 80s across the region. So here's what it looks like on the wide map. One high exits, another one just off to our south, continues to keep us in sunshine and that strong southerly wind. Now, you saw those clouds on Friday in our northern counties. That's because a cold front is going to set up over us. Could produce some more clouds on Saturday and Sunday, but most of the moisture is going to stay off to the north from this one, and also most of the cool air is going to stay off to the north. So we're going to keep the cool air into the Pacific Northwest. We're going to stay unseasonably warm with that ridge and the jet stream. And as for the moisture flow, we have it from the Pacific, significant rainfall up and down the west coast, and dry and warm conditions continue for us as that westerly flow doesn't really make it over the Rocky Mountains as moisture, and we just get dry and sunny conditions. That will continue not only for the rest of the work week, but for most of the weekend. The wind does pick up, and we're going to be mainly dry, cooler, and a little more moisture next week. High of 88 tomorrow, 87 Friday, and 91 on Saturday. Still near 90 on Sunday, with sunny to mostly sunny skies. Now, the wind picks up over the weekend and beyond, with our next chance of some showers and storms Monday night, lasting through the day on Tuesday as temperatures fall from the mid 80s back into the mid to upper 70s as we go through Wednesday of next week. Kent?
So several warm days now of like we talked about, well above average temperatures before we finally start to cool down a little bit next week.
Yeah, no change in this pattern until around Monday or Tuesday.
All right, thanks so much, Justin. And coming up, we debut a brand new segment in sports as Marco